Okay, so of all things to add, Deepwoken adds farming. Like, okay, so this post from Deepwoken from Twitter or X, I'm gonna have it up right here. It says a PvP game mode isn't the only thing we're working on for the Conquest update, and then it shows this. Now, shit, I don't really know what to say on this. It seemed like they have some fire plant, base plant, electric base plant, and light. No, that's something else. I don't know what that is on the last one. But beside that, I actually have some, a few leaks actually. Well, no, not leaks, but it's some stuff Dev said, which I'm gonna have up right now. This guy said, just don't expect your stuff to grow if it isn't in hive territory, which shows that it's basically gonna be a hive-based thing to, farm, which is kind of, dumb. I thought you could farm anywhere, but I guess it's Deepwoken, right? So I'm guessing Conquest is like, this shows that it's gonna literally come with the hive origin, which I hope so too, because that means they're gonna add way more stuff than we thought. And low-key, I did not think they would add Conquest. I mean, the hive origin to Conquest, because, Deepwoken doesn't really have that much big updates like that, like Conquest. I thought they were gonna add Conquest, then like fucking 5 months later add hive origin and probably a attunement or something. No, attunement is crazy, no. But I also have this. This guy also said, just start a scorchberry plantation instead. Plantations. They might be cooking with this one. That's all I want to say. We are not ready for this update, bro. Whenever it comes out. I don't think it'll come out today. It'll probably come out not next week, probably in 4 weeks, 3 weeks max. Even though they've been testing on the game. I'm gonna show a clip too. They've been testing on the game for a while too, like way more than just 2 weeks, bro. But it's Deepwoken. That's all I wanted to say. Deepwoken's adding farming. It's crazy, right?